everyone, and welcome back to English Learning Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hi, everyone. I'm Daniel. And Emily, I need to confess something truly embarrassing.
Oh, here we go. What did you do this time?
Last week, I had to call the dentist to book an appointment. I rehearsed the sentence in my head like 5 times. Phone rings, they answer, and I just hung up.
You hung up? On the dentist?
I panicked. Talking face to face is one thing you can see the person, use your hands, point at things. But on the phone, no body language, no visual cues, just pressure.
Okay, but honestly, this is so common. Phone calls are actually one of the biggest fears for English learners. Even people who speak really well in person freeze up on the phone.
Exactly. So today we're fixing that. We're teaching you how to make phone calls and English booking appointments, customer service, all of it without the panic.
By the end of this video, you'll have real phrases to open a call, explain what you need, and close it smoothly, so next time you won't hang up like Daniel.
Wow, okay, let's just get into the lesson.
Let's start at the very beginning. How do you even open a phone call? A lot of learners just say, "Hello, I want appointment." Very direct, a little abrupt.
Right, native speakers usually soften it. A classic opener is, "Hi, I'm calling to book an appointment."
Or, "Hi, I'm calling about my order." Simple, clear, polite.
And if someone answers with a company name, like, "Thank you for calling Sunshine Dental. How can I help you?" You can just jump right in with your reason.
Exactly. Next big phrase. I'd like to. This is huge for phone calls because it's polite but still direct.
"I'd like to book an appointment for next Tuesday." Or, "I'd like to speak to someone about my internet bill."
It sounds much more natural than I want. I want can sound a little blunt, especially on the phone with a stranger.
True story, I once said, "I want a refund" to a customer service rep, and she got kind of defensive. Lesson learned.
I'd like a refund much smoother. Okay, next. What if you don't understand something? This happens all the time on calls because you can't see lips moving, there's background noise.
Huge tip. "Could you repeat that, please?" Simple, polite, works every time.
Or even better, sorry, could you say that again a bit slower? Native speakers say this constantly, even to each other.
Seriously, even I ask people to repeat things on the phone, and English is my first language. It's not embarrassing, it's normal.
Exactly, so please don't feel shy using it. Now, what about spelling things out? This one's a game changer.
Oh, yes. When you give your name or email on the phone, people often ask you to spell it. "Could you spell that for me?"
And you respond letter by letter, Daniel. Sometimes people use the phonetic alphabet too, like D as in David.
That's such a useful trick. Actually, using a simple word for each letter makes it way clearer over a bad phone line.
Totally. Okay, let's pause here for a second.
If you've ever avoided a phone call just because it was an English comment, me below, we want to know we're not alone here.
And please hit that like button and subscribe if you're new. It genuinely helps this channel reach more learners just like you.
Okay, let's finish strong.
Now let's talk about closing a call. This part matters more than people think because it leaves the final impression.
Simple and effective. "Thank you so much for your help." Or, "That's everything, thank you."
And if you need to confirm something before hanging up, just to confirm, my appointment is on Tuesday at 3 p.m.
That's a great habit, actually. Confirming details out loud avoids mix ups later.
Definitely. And finally, one more useful phrase for tricky moments. Can you hold on a second? This is what you say if you need a moment to think, check something, or grab a pen.
Native speakers use this constantly. Hold on a second. Let me check my calendar.
It buys you time, and it sounds completely natural. Nobody expects instant answers on the phone.
Time for pocket words. 5 key phrases from today.
Number one, I'm calling to. Meaning, how you explain the reason for your call. Example, I'm calling to reschedule my appointment.
Number 2, I'd like to, meaning a polite way to ask for something. Example, I'd like to speak to a manager, please.
Number three, could you repeat that? Meaning, politely asking someone to say something again. Example, sorry, could you repeat that? I didn't catch it.
Number 4, could you spell that? Meaning, asking someone to spell out a word or name. Example, could you spell your last name for me?
And number five, hold on a second. Meaning, asking for a short pause. Example, hold on a second, let me grab a pen.
5 phrases that'll instantly make your phone calls smoother.
Let's smooth out some common phone call mistakes.
Mistake 1, saying, I am Daniel, when someone asks who's calling. Sounds a bit stiff.
Natural version. This is Daniel. That's the standard phone phrase in English.
Mistake 2, saying, what? When you don't understand. It can sound rude, even if you don't mean it that way.
Much better. Sorry, could you say that again? Polite and clear.
Mistake 3, staying completely silent when you're thinking. On the phone, silence feels awkward because the person can't see you.
Fix it with, just a moment, let me check. It fills the silence naturally and sounds professional.
And mistake 4, over explaining right at the start, like giving your whole life story before saying why you're calling.
Keep it simple. Hi, I'm calling to book an appointment. Reason first, details after. Much smoother for both sides. Let's roleplay this. I'll be the receptionist, you be the caller.
Hi, I'm calling to book an appointment, please.
Of course. Can I get your name, please?
Yes, it's Daniel. Daniel.
Great, thank you. What day works for you?
I'd like to come in sometime next week, maybe Tuesday.
Hold on a second, let me check. Sorry, could you repeat the day? The line's a bit unclear.
No problem, Tuesday, please.
Perfect, Tuesday at 10 a.m. works. Just to confirm, that's Daniel. Tuesday at 10?
Yes, that's correct. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. See you then.
See? No panic, no hanging up.
Let's do a quick recap. Today we learned how to open a call with I'm calling to and I'd like to.
We covered handling confusion with could you repeat that and could you spell that?
And we learned how to close calls smoothly and confirm details before hanging up.
Phone calls might feel scary now, but with these phrases, you've already got everything you need to sound calm and confident.
Remember, even native speakers ask people to repeat things. You're not behind. You're just learning. And that's completely normal.
Next episode, we're tackling something just as nerve-wracking, how to make small talk in English without running out of things to say.
That one's gonna save a lot of awkward silences, trust us.
Don't forget comment below, like this video, subscribe if you're new, and share it with a friend who needs this too.
Thanks so much for learning with us today.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.